Today I'm going to prepare a aloo parotha for me and for my wife. Okay, so let's see whether it will come out well or not. I finished to mix, okay, and in the process we are boiling aloo now. So
you should be listening my wife please.
Okay, then parotha. Yes, so there. This is what we call, I don't know.
This one very common.
But I don't know the name.
One tree can give lots of thousands and thousands of.
Yeah, in Chorai we call bapui.
Okay.
Bapui. How do we call in Anal?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Not so common in Lampau Pasna, I think.
No, it's common.
So let's see how it is. Okay, guys, I cut onion. We have to put a little bit of onion with the smashed potato. That will be the main ingredient. That will go my baby, my missy, cutting the sabzi so nicely. See the technique.
It's totally different.
Don't cut straight. You have to little bit slice it. Then it look beautiful. So guys, this is the aloo that we are going to stuff inside this aloo parotha, and this is a local pure organic from my other brother Simon's garden. I have peeled out. So we have to smash it now. Okay, smash. So guys, nowadays that's okay. You can simply go out and have fun again. As how done in right? Okay, just leave it working. It's very important to show. Secret of having a happy marriage. Okay, that's my nice thing. Then after that, you have to put the onion. Okay, put the onion. Yeah, so the mixing is done, and I have planned this area already. I will do the making of the roti in the. It's very hard. It's very hard. I hope it will be okay. Maybe let's do like this. Okay. After that, you stuff the aloo. Okay. And aloo inside. Ta-da! You have to do slowly, okay? If not, you will. Some more atta powder. Okay, so I'm gonna put this beautiful powder here. Another one, I have to stuff this, okay, and then Guys, this is the third one. The look is better comparing to first one, so I'm improving. This is my aloo parotha. Making parotha is over. Now we are going to make a sabji fry. My lovely wife is going to teach me how to do that. So we have chili powder here, and what is this? We have jeera, we have dhania powder.
So now I'm teaching my husband how to cook sabzi. Reduce the flame. Reduce to the full. Okay, because the oil will jump up, right? So the oil is already hot now, and put onion.
All.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Then you can put green chili, because little bit of burn is good green chili, no? According to me, this is how I cook. And you can just put it garlic to make it shortcut. You have to do faster. Keep down and stir it a bit. Keep down your sabzi, otherwise you will make it fall down.
I'll put here.
Okay. And yeah. And then now put hardi. Hardi I kept ready there.
This is haldi.
Put more little bit. Okay. So put red chili powder. Jeera powder. Dhania powder. Okay, enough.
This much?
Okay, you can put more, because sabji is little bit more. Okay. So the masala has to be cooked even within 1 to 2 minutes. Otherwise, there will be a smell of masala. So allow the masala to cook. And now you can start putting carrot. First carrot. And now you stir it a little bit and cover for a few minutes, okay? Very good. Yeah. So cover for a few minutes. Okay. Is it good? You enjoy cooking?
Very interesting, very interesting. It's a whole new experience, you know.
Okay.
I love it.
Very good. Now you remove the cover. Okay. You stir it a little bit. Wow, the color of your sabji, the first day of your sabji is turning into very good color. And now you can put the beans. The whole beans, put it and stir it again. Okay, so it's so beautiful. Yeah, you are very expert.
Green sabji.
And then you stir it properly. Okay, very well mixed now, and cover it. Okay, and now you can little bit increase the flame.
Okay.
Okay. So keep it for at least 3 to 5 minutes and then stir it. So it's time to open the cover now. Okay, it's almost half cooked. Stir it. So husbands are very much important to learn how to cook. Like my husband, he is helping me to cook so well.
Thank you. You look great now. Color is good. And
Yeah,
it's not
and
burning.
there is less oil, right?
Yeah.
I opt for the lesser oil, and as well as my husband, who always opted for the lesser oil.
So are we covering again?
Yes.
Yes. For how many minutes?
Let's say 5 minutes again. Dry cook always needs to be stirred. So the final opening. Wow. It's cooked now. It's cooked, right?
Wow.
You're so expert.
Very nice. It looks nicely. Okay.
Okay.
So it's done. Thank you. Thank you so much for teaching me how to cook, how to fry this one kind of beans. I don't know the name in English. And carrot. It's fantastic. This is the leftover of the smashed potato, and I'm going to serve in the plate for both of us, for me and my beautiful wife. Okay. The lovely paratha. Okay. First,
Wow. You know very well how to make.
look delicious, I hope. Yeah.
Okay.
Close.
And these are 3 items of sabzi, right?
Yeah. My paratha with the fry. I'm going to taste what I have made today. This is a little bit of aloo, little bit of sabzi, little bit of beans curry. I'm going to eat it now.
So let me taste my husband's paratha cooking.
How is it?
Very tasty. I never expected. This is too good. Yeah, very, very good.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So, very nice paratha, very tasty. Sabzi is also very tasty. Thank you for helping me.
Thank you for teaching me.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Continue to watch, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Love you.
Okay.
Okay.